Hey there, and thanks for watching WP Beginner. Today I'll show you how to create a responsive WordPress slider with Soliloquy. Many people use sliders on their site to showcase content on their front page or in other areas. Soliloquy is a great plugin because it adheres to WordPress coding standards. It uses custom post types to handle the slider, and this makes it easy to back up and import and export from your site. It's completely translation ready for international audience. It's SEO friendly since you can add metadata, titles, alt text, and captions to each slide. It's easy to use with its drag and drop features. The slider is responsive and has touch swipe support, which makes it easy to use with tablets and smartphones. It's also developer friendly with great documentation and 50+ hooks and filters, so you can easily white label it if needed. Now that we know some of the benefits of Soliloquy, let's walk through how to set it up. After purchasing the plugin, I'll upload it from my desktop and activate it. I need to add my license key and click Verify. Next, I'll go to Soliloquy, Add New. I'll add a slider title, click Select Images to upload new images to my website, or I can choose to insert slides from other sources and choose images already in the media library. I can add URLs for YouTube, Wistia, or Vimeo videos, or I can create an HTML slide. The HTML could be something like an email opt-in form or a call to action button. For this video, we'll concentrate on an images slider. I'll select all the images I want to add, then click Insert Slides button to add them to the slider. Once I've added the images, there's a few other things I can do with those images. I'll click on the eye to configure the image title, image alt text, the image hyperlink if I want to add a link to the image, and if I want it to open in a new tab. I can add an image caption here as well. When I'm finished adding all the information, I'll save metadata. Next, I can configure the settings. There's a whole list of them to choose from. I can choose which slider theme to use, the dimensions. I'm going to keep that at the default. Next, I'll choose which slider transition. I'm going to keep it at fade. We also have a long slide is on the screen before switching. That's in milliseconds. We can choose the transition speed or how quickly it transitions to the next slide. We can also select the slider position for the page, center, left, right, or none. The slide gutter is the space between your slider and your content. Next, we have some mobile items like the mobile dimensions and if we want to create mobile slider images. If we want to auto start it or if we want to show slider arrows. Do we want to show navigation? Pause on hover? Do we want to loop the slider or randomize the slides? We can choose to enable keyboard navigation, use CSS transitions, or use adaptive height, which allows the slider to adapt smoothly to slides with different dimensions. Do we want to keep cropped images in slider? It's recommended, so we'll keep that. Did we want to set a slider delay if it's auto-starting? And finally, we can choose to start on a particular slide number. Under Miscellaneous, we can set the slider title, the slug, and custom classes. Here we can also export the slider or import once we've already created one. After we've finished configuring it all, we can click Publish. Now we can put the slider anywhere on our site, and I can use one of these shortcodes on a page or post, or I can add this code to my theme. I'll go to Appearance, Widgets, to add the Soliloquy widget to my sidebar. If you go to a post, you see a new button here. Just click on it and choose which slider to add to the post. Now we can go and see it in action. To show you how it is with responsive, I'll shrink the web page down and you can see how it responds to smaller and smaller screens. This is as small as it goes and it still looks great. I hope you liked this video and found it helpful. If you did, click on the like button below and leave us a comment. And if you want to receive more helpful videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and check out WPBeginner.com for more useful information on WordPress.